Now here is how you can resize widgets on the lock screen on the iPhone. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get us started. Okay, so if you go to the lock screen, you can hold down on it and click on Customize to make some changes. And there are a few things which you can resize literally with the handle right there. So you can grab the time and stretch it out to the desired size, right? So that is, I guess, the only way you can kind of like resize widgets. Outside of that, you can see that we have a dedicated widget panel at the bottom. And the only way to kind of like resize widgets would be to replace a small one with a large one. So let me give you an example, right? If I go to this selection of widgets, you'll see that if I tap on clock, for example, we have the ability to add like a small one like this, which is just a little square. And we also have the ability to add like a large one, which is a little bit of a larger size like this. So we don't necessarily have the ability to kind of like hold down on it and resize it. But as you can see, we have the ability to remove it and replace it with a large one. So if I had like this small one for activity, for example, right? And if I want to resize this activity widget to be something larger, I just hold down to go to the edit mode. But the point is that I deleted the first widget right in here, but I'm find the other one from the fitness app and just added the larger one in there. So that's like the whole point. You cannot really resize the widgets, but you can replace the small one with a larger view. So that's how it works in iOS 26. Of course, if there are any changes which arrive, I'll definitely make an updated video about it. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.